Alright, time is up.
Mm-hmm.
Still, I'm gonna go check if everyone can hear us clearly and can see the poster. One second. Hey guys, good evening.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
I'm Thea, from Linklear AI.
Okay, one second. Cause I'm gonna open my camera. Oh, I see. Right now we have a lot of audiences on HTX Live already, and I'm gonna track the Twitter side and also our YouTube side. Okay, one second. Oh yeah, everyone can see us from YouTube channel as well. I am gonna open my camera to let everyone see me. And I'm gonna remove the poster. Okay.
Will she come or not?
Honestly, I'm not sure because let me track if she not even read the message.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, maybe in the middle. I need like send message. 1 second, guys. 1 second, just give me a minute.
Sure.
I'm gonna reach out to her from WeChat.
Hmm.
Alright. Anyway, I sent out another guest the message already. But I'm not sure when she gonna join us. So I'm gonna start anyway because we already have more than 2,000 audiences here with us. And yeah, so good evening, guys. Greeting, hello, and welcome to another episode of HTX Live. And this is your host Ruth. So good evening, good morning, or good afternoon. And so, as you guys already see the poster and the topic we are gonna talking about is about the explosion, the AI explosion. It's open cloud, and also will AI agents reshape the logic of the next crypto investment cycle? So if you ask me, recently what is the hottest topic of everywhere, like Twitter and also YouTube and also a lot of Chinese social media and everywhere. So in both AI and crypto, it's definitely the cloud, the open cloud thing. And also what made it stand out is actually represents a shift from AI that only answer questions to AI that actually can take actions. Finally, thank you God, I am gonna retire very soon, I think. And also there is no longer, just like chatbots or content generation. You ask and they just reply you and tell you what to do. And it's about whether AI agents can help everyone begin to, research, decide, even execute takes on behalf of our users, on behalf of human being. And once that narrative, enters crypto, enters Web3, the implication becomes much bigger. And because if AI agents, we have a lot of traders. If AI agents can trade, can analyze on-chain data, and also can manage strategies, and can actually help you to earn some from the market and interact with protocols. And also the next cycle may not just be driven by new token or new chains. It may be driven by a whole new type of market participant. Especially the market has been in, I'm gonna say, bear cycle for a pretty much longer. A lot of people already switched their attention to AI sector. So today we want to discuss a bigger question. So is OpenCloud just a short-term trend, or is an early signal that AI agents could reshape the next crypto investment cycle? And I know the poster have two guests, but right now at this moment we only have one, Thea, to our live stream. So I'm gonna let Thea to give us a greeting. Okay, hello.
Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm Thea from Linklear team. Okay, so maybe I can introduce our team, right?
Yes.
Okay, sure. Okay, let me explain what we do in 1 minute. In Web3, your most valuable asset, your live trading data from CEX perps and DEX positions, is currently a sleeping gold mine. It's fragmented across platforms and can generate continuous value for you. Our solution, we build an AI agent protocol powered by your real trading behavior. It works in 3 steps. First step, serve you. Connect to your wallet and exchange APIs. Our agents provide real-time risk alerts and position analysis based on your live portfolios. Step 2, evolve them. Through long-term service, agents learn and calibrate from your actual trading behavior and the results, forming verifiable capabilities. Step 3, create consensus. Merger agents operate with independent on-chain wallets, executing trades transparently on DEX. Their entire trading history is public and immutable. They become verifiable trading entities, observable, auditable, and predictable by the market. So our version is that Linklear AI transforms dominant trading data into active intelligence, makes trading AI transparent and verifiable, and builds market consensus based on facts, not narratives. We're creating the next generation trading intelligence infrastructure driven by real behavior, evolved by agents, and validated by market consensus. Okay, thank you so much, Ruth.
All right, thank you for the introduction part. I also noticed it's your project also have AI background as well. So really looking forward to hear from you. Yeah, I'm also keep checking the comment area, and if you have any question regard AI agent, feel free to type it down. And of course we prepared a lot of USDT airdrops, and also these live stream is multi-streaming on HTX Global and Twitter side, and also HTX Global YouTube channel as well. So if you want to grab some USDT, it's HTX App only. Okay, so just come and check out. So I'm gonna start with the first question. So why did OpenCloud suddenly explode in popularity, and what core problem does it solve? Because I'm not sure if you tried the OpenCloud, and I tried to discover a little bit, not a little bit. I do set up everything, and I do try to talk with him through Telegram, and it's really amazing. And also I think it's one of the that recently happened actually cheered me up. I feel so amazed at that how AI can actually do right now. And so, Thea, what do you think of this question? Why all of a sudden it's exploded?
Okay, so do you mean the first question?
Yes, yes. Why did OpenCloud suddenly explode in popularity, and what core problem does it solve?
Ah, okay. So yeah, I think like urban cloud's explosion isn't accidental. It's a convergence of multiple forces hitting a critical tipping point. So first, the core problem open cloud solves is fundamental.
Yeah.
AI has been all talk, no action. Traditional AI models like ChatGPT are brilliant at conversation. They answer questions, generate the text, and offer advice, but they stop there. OpenCloud transforms AI from a chatbot into a digital employee that can actually do things, write scripts, manage files, book flights, send emails, and interact with APIs or autonomously. Why now? Several factors converged. First, the local execution breakthrough. Before OpenCloud, AI agents were mostly cloud locked. They required complex setups and constant server connections. OpenCloud runs locally, even on affordable hardware like a Mac Mini, dramatically
Yes, yes.
lowering the barrier to entry. And second, massive industry momentum. Just on March 9th alone, three major players, ByteDance, Tencent, and Moonshot AI, what is also called like Kimi, released
Yes.
new open cloud products. Tencent launched Work Buddy, ByteDance introduced Arc Cloud, and Xiaomi announced its own device AI agent, Xiaomi Mid Cloud. This isn't just hype, it's an all out war for AI ecosystem dominance. According to incomplete statistics, at least 17 major Chinese internet companies have now entered the open cloud space. Third, the token economics game. Urban cloud solves a problem for AI companies, not just users. A crowded market where basic trade is free. Open cloud drives massive API consumption.
Yes.
A complex task can consume hundreds of times more tokens than a simple conversation. Open Router, Open Cloud now accounts for over 2 trillion tokens daily, the primary driver of platform growth. Fourth, anxiety economy. Let's be honest, many people are paying for Open Cloud deployment devices, services, because they're afraid of being left behind by AI. This fear has created a bizarre industry. People charging $50 to $500 for door-to-door open cloud installation. On second-hand trading platforms, some sellers have reportedly earned over like $35,000 from installation services alone. But here's a deeper truth. Urban cloud represents the fourth great shift in internet gateways, just as portals dominated Web 1, search engines Web 2, and super apps Web 3. AI agents are becoming the interface for Web 4. Whoever controls the agent controls user intent. And that's a valuable real estate in the digital economy. However, we must also acknowledge the risks. The Ministry of Industry and Information Technology recently warned that open cloud instances with default or improper configurations pose significant security risks, potentially leading to cyber attacks and data breaches. The high system permissions required for open cloud to function, access to accounts, data read-write privileges, application control, create an expanded attack surface that we haven't fully secured yet. And this is my answer. Yeah.
Wow, yes, yes. It's, yeah. Well, first of all, thank you for the amazing answers, and also you gave me. I actually learned a lot, and also for the open cloud thing, and you mentioned a lot of people start arrange their own skills and also try to get everything clear. Um, Also, I checked the news today, not news, but on shopping apps. Right now in mainland China, you cannot. I mean, from my region, I based in Beijing right now. I cannot even order a Mac Mini. It's out of stock, and also the price goes up a little bit. I mean, these kind of really really old product all of a sudden because of the heat of open cloud made it like really really, I don't know, out of stock, and you cannot buy it anywhere. And also, but I have to admit, I know a lot of people are studying the open cloud or trying to get the tutorial of how to download open cloud, how to make everything happen. But from my own experience, it took me a completely whole day from zero to the final communicate with my Telegram bot. So it's definitely time consuming from the start, and I want to give up in the middle of, honestly, a lot of times. And I'm not sure if you guys feeling, or I'm not sure if you guys try to use it, but yeah, it's amazing, and it's a huge progress, and it's give us a lot of opportunity. But I don't know, it's just really hard to get started at the first place. And also, all right, so let's continue. So I definitely agree, and also it's definitely solve the limitation of what traditional AI tools can do, and also giving the market. I don't think it's a new narrative. It's a goal that I believe we all want to achieve. No one will refuse to use AI tools, and I think no one can leave it right now. No matter it's GPT, Gemini, or DeepSeek, or Doubao, the Chinese one. Yeah, so let's continue to the topic, and also. Guys, if you have any question regarding to the AI, regarding to AI agents, feel free to type it to the comment area. And this is HTX live channel. And right now the topic we are talking about is the open cloud. It's the trend that open cloud brought. And also my second question is, if AI agents can autonomously execute task or solve task, how will that change the crypto market? And yeah, it's very very straightforward. So if AI agent no longer just assistance, but can actually tackle tasks on behalf of users, on behalf of human beings, how that might change the market. Like I mentioned earlier, maybe AI powered autonomous trading, and also AI based on-chain data analysis, and also AI participations in DeFi strategies as well. So what's your think about this one, Thea?
Yeah. So let me break this down into 3 layers. First, the current state. We're already seeing AI agents that can perform complex multi-step tasks. The latest Open Cloud update introduced the lossless cloud context engine, which solves the memory problems that plagued earlier agents. Before this, AI agents had severe digital amnesia. Now, with lossless cloud, agents maintain perfect memory through compression and bidirectional linking. In benchmark tests, OpenCloud with lossless cloud outperformed the cloud code despite using the same underlying model. This matters because reliable memory is the foundation for any serious financial application. So, second, the emerging infrastructure. We're seeing the building blocks for AI economic participation take shape thanks to innovations in machine-to-machine payment protocols, on-chain identity systems, and programmatic tour calling, agents can now hold wallets, pay for API calls, sign transactions, and interact with smart contracts or autonomously. Open Cloud's programmatic tour calling allows agents to generate and execute Python scripts in sandbox environments when standard tools aren't enough. This means agents aren't just following predefined workflows, they're dynamically creating solutions. Third, the future applications. Automated trading. Agents can execute complex strategies without human emotion. More importantly, they can learn and adapt. Multi-agent architectures now allow different agents to handle market monitoring, execution, and risk management separately. On-chain analysis, agents can monitor meme pools, track whale movement, analyze liquidity flows, and detect liquidity shifts before they show up in price action. Define participation, agents can lend, borrow, and provide liquidity, optimizing across protocols and trades continuously, something humans simply can do at scale. New on-trade actors, this is the most profound shift. AI is becoming a new type of on-trade counterparty, one that never sleeps, has perfect memory, and coordinates with other agents autonomously. We are already seeing communities of agents emerge, with one developer reporting over 1.5 million agents flooding a community started by agents. Human excluded. The technical foundation is getting stronger. Persistent configurations, topic-based routing in Telegram and Discord, and multi-agent architectures with Docker sandboxing enable the robust, secure systems and that financial applications require. AI is no longer just a tool, it becomes an independent economic actor, and that changes everything about how markets function. Is my answer.
It's the trends, and also recently there is a new conception called one person company. It means like one people they just use his own cloud team, the open cloud team. He have a lot of open cloud agents, and then create this company can finish a one little team, like 5 to 6 people's work. So yeah, it's really amazing. And also I caught one comment from HTX live stream is it safe for AI agent to have access to my funds? My answer is no, honestly, because this is a real case. I know a couple of tech friends, and they are the first team that try to experience or test their own open cloud bot. And funny thing is, one of my friend, he also bid for some projects, but he have a lot of lawsuit case or lawsuit files, and one day he just asked his bot like, hey, can you just summarize everything, because it's a 20 or 30 pages with a lot of complicated law term, and it's really hard to understand. So he just asked his open cloud bot, but you guys, you never know what the bot is going to do. His open cloud agent just delete the code from his computer. So if you want to experience or want to try open cloud, my personal lesson is to get a computer without any important files, files, videos, or any useful or valuable contents, even contents, not to say fonts. So just use it with cautious, because right now it's still very early stage. I know it's a trend, I know it's the future, honestly, but still it's not that safe. And also All right, so let's continue to the next one. It's about what new investment sector could emerge from the combination of AI agents and crypto. Because if even though it's really early stage, if AI agents continue to evolve, then this is not just about one product. People already you're talking about areas or imagine about the narratives like AI compute networks and also AI data markets, and also Thea, you mentioned a lot as the last question, and also the decentralized AI networks, and also agent even payment system, and also agent identities or permission layers. So where will the real investment opportunities emerge? How do you think of this one, Thea?
Okay, so we're seeing the emergence of a whole new technology stack based on current trends. Here are the key sectors. First, like AR compute networks, the peak and the shovel of the AI era. As agents run locally or on distributed nodes, demand for decentralized compute is exploding. Companies providing a scalable compute infrastructure will capture significant value. Alibaba Cloud, Tencent Cloud, and ByteDance's Volcano engine have all launched open cloud related services. And second, AI data markets. Agents need high quality data. Key insight: behavioral data is more valuable than market data. Market data is everywhere, but behavioral data, entering decisions, position path, risk control, liquidations is real and extremely valuable for training trading agents. This aligns perfectly with Linklayer's AI's thesis. Unless you're trading unless your live trading data is the next frontier. And thirdly, agent infrastructure and identity. The plumbing that makes agents work together. This includes frameworks. Open cloud is becoming the WordPress of AI agents. Identity systems, on-chain identities with reputation and credentials. Memory systems, lossless cloud context engine is critical for financial applications. Multi-agent architectures, solutions for deploying multiple agents with isolation and routing. And fourthly, decentralized AI networks, preventing AI control from centralizing. The latest urban cloud update had 196 global contributors. Networks incentivizing distributed contribution could challenge centralized players. Hardware optimization. Oh, this is his fifth one. Mac Mini processors surged 13% in the past week due to open cloud demand.
Yes.
Agent optimized devices designed for running local AI agents efficiently will see significant demand. And the sixth one, deployment and services. A real sector, open cloud installation services have emerged, with one seller reportedly earning over $35,000. While likely temporary, it signals massive demand for deployment solutions. So once you obtain the highest access to operate users' computers, you bypass all applications and trade for monopoly directly on the desktop. Faced with this strategic level opportunity, how could major tech companies not compete, right? So
Yeah.
that's my answer. Yeah.
All right, thank you, Thea. And yeah, I saw a lot of interesting comment from HTX live channel as well. And also right now we have more than 6,000 audiences with us right now to hear this topic about open cloud. And yeah, so for the next thing, if we continue to the question. Other than the investment side, if in the era of the AI agents, so what about the crypto side? How is the crypto market change? Because This is where the conversation gets really interesting because if AI agents start participating in markets at scale, like they may not just improve efficiency right now. That's the basic line. That's the reason we use AI tools like other chatbots like GPT or DeepSeek or Gemini. They may change the structure of the market itself if this, if we are in the era of AI agents. So in the future, we may no longer to looking at market shape only by human traders, and we can just go to sleep at any time. We don't have to, keep catching the K lines and also keep catching the latest news and, in the middle of the night waiting for what the chair of Federal Reserve gonna release the news. We may be looking at a market where humans and AI agents interact together. I mean, they are our assistants and they're supposed to do what we arranged, what our task. And also where AI agents even compete with each other. I think Thea mentioned a little bit earlier, so I want to ask, will machine-driven participation make the crypto market more efficient?
Okay, so the structure will change fundamentally, but not in the way most people fear. This is my answer. Like on market efficiency, yes, machine trading will increase efficiency dramatically. AI agents can process information and execute trades in very like milliseconds, reducing arbitrage opportunities and tightening spreads. However, different agents have different capabilities. Like we will have a hierarchy of agent intelligence, not a flat field of identical machines. On AI-driven liquidity absolute, we will see intelligent liquidity. Liquidity that dynamically reallocates based on real-time risk assessments. An agent managing a treasury could move funds across chains instantly to trace the best yield. With multi-agent architecture, one agent monitors opportunities, another executes, a third manages risk. This specialization could actually increase market stability by preventing panic-driven correlated moves. One thing is that this is the most nuanced question. The answer is role transformation, not straightforward marginalization. First, the technical reality. Urban Cloud still has significant limitations. As like the senior expert engineer at Ping An Technology, and he said that Urban Cloud is not a low share product. To use it well, you need configuration skills, troubleshooting abilities, and continuous debugging. For ordinary users, there's still a considerable share shield. Second, the practical challenges, like the technical lead at NetEase CodeWave, and he points out that configuration files are unstable, browser access needs improvement, and token consumption is substantial. For financial applications where reliability is paramount, these aren't trivial issues. Third, the human role. Humans become the strategists and the goal settlers. Agents execute, but humans define objectives. A lot of people, they found that the workflow where AI generates design documents, humans review and selectively approve, achieving about 60% direct usability of AI generated code. This human with AI collaboration model will dominate, not full autonomy. So fourth, the security reality. The Ministry of Industry and Information Technology wants that Urban Cloud's high system access to accounts, data privileges, application control creates significant security risks. One developer shared that he asked an agent to analyze what APIs web page loaded, Due to unclear instructions, the agent directly called them, including deletion APIs, wiping all his comments on the platform. For financial applications, such errors could be catastrophic. So the future isn't human versus machine, it's human with agent versus human with agent. Like, as a senior technology expert at Taobao Flash Scale, he observes that in the future, programmers writing specifications and designing architecture will be more valuable than writing code. And implementation can be handed to AI. So will humans be marginalized? No, I think but humans who don't learn to work with agents will be marginalized by those who do. The competitive landscape shifts from human versus human to human with agent versus human with agent. So that's a very different game. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. And also, I caught one interesting comment as well from DRACKUAL007. Will we lose the market vitality because of these AI agents thinking the same way? That's actually an interesting aspect, but I think the vitality may not disappear because it's just a form change, if AI agents are trained on similar signals, and they could reduce some small inefficiencies in normal market or in normal market conditions, but in stressed market, that same similarity could actually amplify vitality in a country, because everyone may react at the same time and de-risk at the same time as well, and also push the market in the same direction. So instead of less vitality, we may get faster vitality, and also more crowded trades, because everyone reacts so quick because they have their AI bots, and also more sudden moves will come, I think. Well, but anyway, thank you for the question, and thank you, Thea, for the amazing answers. Also, if you have any question, feel free to keep comments so we can see and we can discuss. So here actually comes to our last one. So it's still, a lot of things comes and go, and that's the past a lot of years, because I've been in the industry for almost 6 years. So I saw a lot of new narrative come and go, like NFT, like DeFi summer, NFT summer, a lot of things. So do you think open cloud is a long-term infrastructure or just a short-term narrative? Because every cycle has a breakout names, and some become real infrastructure, but a lot of 99% of them become a short-lived symbols of market excitement. So how do you see open cloud?
Okay, so I believe open cloud represents long-term infrastructure, but its current hype includes short-term narratives froth. We need to separate from reality. The long-term case, open cloud is significant because it solves the local execution problem. Before open cloud, agents were cloud-locked. Now the entire tech stack is shifting. First, architectural innovation. The March 7th update introduced lossless cloud context engine, solving the memory problems that plagued earlier agents. Through compression and bidirectional linking, agents now maintain perfect memory. In benchmarks, it outperformed the cloud code using the same underlying model. This is genuine technical advancement. So, and second, multi-agent architecture. Urban Cloud now supports 4-layer deployment isolation, identity rules, routing user interaction, and state session management. With Docker sandboxing and multi-gateway deployment, it's becoming enterprise grade. And third, industry adoption. Major cloud providers like Tencent Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, and ByteDance Volcano Engine have integrated open cloud. Tencent launched Buddy, ByteDance, Cloud, Xiaomi, Mi Cloud, and over 13 major Chinese internet companies have entered the space. Just I mentioned before, when incumbents that scale bet on a technology, it's not just a hype. Fourth, the open source community. Like the latest update had 196 global contributors, and a lot of people note that open source is important, but open cloud explosion is a resonance of multiple factors. So the short-term risk, okay, first the usability gap, and a lot of people said that open cloud is in low share threshold, just I mentioned before, and like the constant reality, the free narrative masks hardware costs, Mac Mini prices surged 13%, right?
Yes.
So, and the massive token consumption and ongoing maintenance, and third, security risks. Yeah, so there are a lot of risks, and the verdict: open cloud is becoming the WordPress of AI agents, and open standard everyone builds on. The framework is solid, the community genuine. As security improves and the hardware optimizes, it will become as fundamental as a web browser. But the hype will cool. Yeah, as one observer noted that whether open cloud becomes a true productivity tool or just a deploy and forget toy remains unknown. Survivors will focus on real user value, not narrative momentum. This is operating system for agentic AI, but we're at like not Windows 95, right? So the potential is enormous, but the path is longer than hype suggests. Okay, this is our answer.
Wow, thank you, Thea. Thanks a lot. And yeah, it's we've been doing the AI related topic in Chinese Twitter space and also our live stream. Well, we talk about today. I would say it's not just about open cloud as a single project, but it's more like a direction. We're talking about whether AI is evolving from a tool that can actually helps people think and into a system that can actually act, can actually operate because we are open, and also we are programmable, and also we are permissionless, and we are born for AI agent, honestly speaking. So whether AI agent open cloud itself become a long-term winner or not, it doesn't matter because the bigger trend may already be here. Oh wow, we have our another guest here. Hello, Vlada, Sana.
Hello, can you hear me well?
Yes, yeah, we are just talking about the last question. But still, say hello to everyone.
Hey guys, I'm the network representative from News Network, and sorry for miss up with the time a little bit, but just like very short introduction, at News Network we're building verifiable intelligent infrastructure for AGI era, and our goal is simple but ambitious: make AI compute and intelligence services measurable, verifiable, and settleable on chain with our unique proof of AI contribution. So basically we're building agent-to-agent payment rails, which set as the foundation level for the whole AGI ecosystem.
Yeah. So since we are just wrap up everything, still I'm gonna ask our last question about open cloud as the topic mentioned. So do you think open cloud is a long-term infrastructure or just a short-term narrative? Because every cycle goes and back, and some of them left become a infrastructure or become a narrative, while others just a short-lived, like a symbol. So how do you see open cloud in general?
Yeah, that's a great question. But like if we look at their landscape and AI agent continue evolving the way they are today, I think we will inevitably need standards and frameworks for how they interact So the idea behind OpenClaw isn't just like the narrative, it's addressing a real architectural need. And for agent ecosystem to mature, I think, and in News Network, that's what we believe. Three things they need to coexist together. First, agent frameworks. Second, economic infrastructure. And third, verification layers. And without verification, the system can't scale because no one just knows which AI actually did useful work, how to evaluate it, how to verify it. And that's exactly the problem we're trying to solve. So if we are just like zooming out, OpenClaw is part of a much larger shift. We are moving from AI tool to AI economy, and infrastructure for that economy will be one of the most important layers in the next generation scope of crypto. So yeah, I think it's not just a short-term narrative, in my opinion, it's the shift of something bigger.
Yes, exactly. And I feel so grateful born, in this century, honestly, because I remember Elon Musk once said, I'm not sure if it's correct, but if you can, live more than 10 years from now on, and then you may have the chance to live more than 100 years. I think that's really true because with the development of technology, with the development of AI, we actually gonna see more miracle to come, and it's gonna benefit human being as a whole. So yeah, it's really great to have this topic with Thea and also with Thana today. And I think yeah, no matter if you fear of AI or not, but AI trends or AI generation already here. And yeah, so AI agents are moving closer to becoming a real participants in the crypto economy or in the entire economy. So that's why today's topic definitely matters, because it may influence not just the next narrative, but the next market structure or the next whole generation. So once again, thank you, Thea, thank you, Sana, for the support of HTX Live. It's really great to have you guys here, and I really appreciate our HTX family today. And yeah, I think that's cover everything of today's live stream. Yeah, that's it. So see you the next one. Bye, guys.
See ya.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.